Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by ensuring power and backup so the update won't risk your data. Plug in or reach at least 50% battery and back up photos and contacts to Google Drive or a PC. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi to avoid mobile data charges and a slow download. Now open Settings, then Software Update. Tap Download and Install. This initiates the process while keeping your device safe and your data intact. You watch the download progress and verify storage as it proceeds because an interrupted install often comes from low space. Make sure you have the free space recommended. If not, clear app cache or remove unused apps. Once the file finishes downloading, the system will prepare the package. This can take several minutes. Do not reboot or force close updates during preparation. When preparation finishes, the phone prompts you to install. Accept and continue. You tap Install Now and let the phone reboot to apply the update. This stage can take several minutes as system files update. Make sure you don't interrupt the reboot or power off the device because that can corrupt the software. After reboot, the phone optimizes apps and returns to the lock screen. Check Settings Software Update to confirm the version. If the phone fails to boot or behaves oddly, try Safe Mode first. If problems persist, back up data and perform a factory reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.